En pleno centro de Santo Domingo, en el casco más antiguo, Dominican Travel Network inaugura zonacolonial.com, donde promociona eventos y rincones de este punto del Distrito Nacional. Conversamos con Adam Wallace, quien es una de las personas responsables de darle vida a este sitio web.
This is the location in the Dominican Republic.
ZonaColonial.com, which we've launched today as part of the Zona Colonial project, has many areas of the things that happen in the destination here. So we're trying to bring this place to life. We have a whole section on things to see, which has everything from the Alcazar Colón to the cathedral and the historic sites, to cigar shops and the telecommunications center, to Calle El Conde, where we're sitting here, all the things to see in the Zona Colonial, and that extends from history to jewelry stores to all kinds of things that you will see here. Then we have where to eat, and we've selected 8 to 10 restaurants that we recommend here in the Zona Colonial. We're not the yellow pages, we're not covering every place that's available here, but we've selected places that we think are special and worthwhile on a visit. So everything from the cafeteria here on El Conde, to Pata Palo, which is one of the finest restaurants in the Caribbean, to Cafe Bellini, so all kinds of different types of restaurants and places to eat, places to stay, and then also going out and nightlife, which is Zona Colonial is fabulous nightlife, an exciting place to come for weekends, and so we cover that as well.
Vienen a la zona y es otro mundo. No hay ese protocolo que tienes que entrar así, que tienes que entrar así, que tienes que hablar así. No, aquí la gente habla como le da la gana, se viste como le da la gana, goza como le da la gana y es independiente. Y esa es la significancia de la zona colonial. Para mí es uno de los sitios más chulos que hay. Bien bohemia, a mí me gusta mucho la gente bohemia, los poetas, aquí hay locos, aquí hay artistas.
La fuerza caribeña, el color, la energía, la vitalidad y podríamos decir también la sensualidad del Caribe.
The architecture, the ambiance, the people, forget about it, it's just amazing. You feel that you're transported back.
Every corner is a mystery.
La zona colonial maravillosa, ofrece un sinnúmero de cosas maravillosas, monumentos, edificios, personajes en las calles.
This country is special. You can approach any person and just start talking, and they will tell you the story of their life, which will be probably amazing, and that's what I like.
Zona Colonial is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When you come to the colonial zone, you will find the first cathedral.
The first hospital in the Americas was actually here. The first university in the Americas was here. That's what makes Santo Domingo exciting.
It's a mix between modernity and past. Especially this island, Hispaniola, was an island of history. So we know a lot of film and movies with time machines. Here we don't need it. Because every time I cross the colonial city, take me back to the 16th century. Because you walk on the street where Cristobal Columbus was walking.